When a microphone is sent in for service or maintenance, we assess its current state. The capsule is inspected. Its self-noise is measured in an isolation container, the so-called Rauschbombe. Its frequency response is measured in our anechoic chamber. The microphone electronics are tested using special measurement adapters. Our goal is always to restore the microphone to its original performance. If necessary, the capsule is cleaned. What is unique about Neumann service is that we have a wealth of original parts available. This is especially important for microphone capsules, because the capsule is the most crucial part. Nothing sounds like an original Neumann capsule. We also stock custom-made Neumann parts such as transformers and mechanical parts, including body tubes, capsule heads, and much more, many of which are new old stock. But we are also able to remanufacture parts according to the original documentation in our archive. Neumann service knows no expiration date. We service all microphones built after 1947. Of course, we also service newer product lines, such as Neumann headphones and studio monitors. Neumann gear is built to last and is often handed on to the next generation after decades of use. Maintenance and repair by Neumann service protects your investment and ensures best performance, always.